Great news, Mr. Quackers. I just thought of my best idea ever.
What is it this time, Moo Moo?
You know how you wish we could spend more quality time together?
Did I really say that?
Well, I've figured out the perfect way to make your dream come true.
You'll be really good on vacation.
No, even better. We're opening up our very own restaurant. Congratulations, partner.
Oh, you're for real?
Moo Moo and Mr. Quacker's Show House. I paid for it with a big bank full of money I found in our closet.
I love savings.
Don't worry, you're going to have so much fun that you'll forget about it in no time.
Thanks, Moo Moo. You really know how to cheer me up.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Moo Moo and Mr. Quacker's Show House.
Snip, land starts here, grand opening.
Get out of my way, me first. Bumfush.
Is that what you call it?
I told you this was going to be fun. Ding ding ding. Water, please.
Sir, no problem.
Gloop, 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 gloop. Splash. Ding ding ding.
What's on the menu? You can get the Moo Moo special or the Moo Moo special. I guess we'll take the Moo Moo special. Excellent choice. So what is the Moo Moo special anyhow?
It's all my favorite foods mixed together, of course. Bon appetit, everybody! Pok, pok, pok. Yum, 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 yum. Munch, 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 munch. How do you like it? Boing.
I'll take a pizza.
So much for the Moo Moo special.
Of course, you're genius.
Yeah.
Okay, how about I whip up a batch of my top secret recipe?
Of course, you're a genius.
1 large pot of water, 300 pounds of pasta, 500 pounds of tomato paste, and finally the most important ingredient of all, jumbo-sized can of worms. Voila, ladies and gentlemen. Moon tooth to squishy.
Mine tastes lamey.
Mine tasted like worms.
Worms.
Wait, come back. What about this dog?
Ah.
Closed.
So much for the restaurant business, Mr. Quackers. I'm sorry it didn't work out.
It's okay, Moo Moo. At least we got to spend quality time together.
Which reminds me, how would you like to go on vacation?
Now that sounds your best idea, your best idea ever. Are you for real?
And that's the end.
Cheer me up. Make me feel happy, better. Piggy bank, a place where you put your money, put your savings. Figure out, to discover. Whip up, to create.
Subscribe.